exercise the hand. She's exercising. Up, down. See? Up,
Hi,
down.
baby.
Down. See? She exercise. Up, up, down. Up, again. Up. You're tired, Lisa. You ask God to help you get out of this many instruments here. Huh? Yes. She does not see. Daddy is there. Look. Up,
How long have I been awake?
you have, I think I take your nose. Tickle,
Opening your eyes for grandma.
nice forehead. Tickle, tickle. Toes. Where's the toes? Toes. There is the toes, the right one. Yes, you know. Where is the toes? Toes. Move it. This. How about the other one? Other one. Left. The left. That's the right one. The left toes. Move it. Come on. Move it. I tickle, tickle that. I tickle, tickle toes. Oh, you're moving it good. That's the left one. I am wrong. I was wrong. That's the right and the left. Right? Yes. Yes. And this is